Okay, 12 rounds ito para sa bakanteng WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Championship. Prince Albert Pagara, naka-neon green. Ang kalaban mula Nicaragua, si Gonzales, nakaputi. Oh, papasok ang straight ni Gonzales. Yeah, very aggressive. And, you know, Gonzales is known to be a strong fighter with a lot of power. Yun nga, the only thing medyo disadvantage sa kanya. Matagal na siyang hindi lumaban. His first fight.
Very good counter for Pagara.
So, nakadalawang knockout win na po tayo.
Very good counter hook for Pagara. He's doing it right now. He's looking and he's aiming for a good counter. But you see the power of
Prince Albert.
Of Gonzales as well. He's throwing
Gonzales
wide punches, and they are very, very dangerous punches. The good thing about Pagara is very patient. And that's what he should be, is be patient.
Sana hindi siya
Very low. That was a very, very low.
You gotta bring that up. Masariba. You okay? Need a second? No? Good? Box.
So dito rin nag-ensayo si Albert Pagara sa Amerika. Loved it as well. Big test for him. Oh, solid.
They're both
may
very
strong. Yeah, ang lalakas ng dalawang.
The intensity when they put together, pag sumusuntok sila,
nakakatakot no nito.
Very good counter.
Sabi nga
good
nila,
straight in the hook.
Sabi niya, may tutumba dito sa fight na to. Pareho nilang sinabi sa press conference.
Both guys have incredible power.
Wow,
good left hook. Good counter. Good counter.
Naku, kailangan mag-ingat.
Watch behind the head. In the cabeza.
Oh boy.
Pagara stalking, but being patient and trying to counter. Ito naman si Gonzales, being southpaw is very difficult, especially na aggressive, because elbows, headbutts. It was blocked, partially blocked, but mafe-feel mo pa rin yun eh, kahit natatamaan ka.
Good aggression there mula kay Pagara.
In terms of overall talent, mas maganda itong, he rocked them with that.
Left, wow,
straight.
solid straight.
Very good straight, very good hook. Pagara is very patient right now. He's actually fighting like a veteran.
Unang laban sa Amerika na ni Prince Albert, ang mas bakang Pagara. Kanina, ang kanyang kapatid si Jason nanalo via knockout. Second round.
I've seen Pagara train, and he trains like 10 times more than me. This guy is a machine.
I know.
Very good straight.
Yung kanyang straight. Pinagmamalaki na niya yung mga pandesal niya sa tiyan sa way in.
And he's trying to counter with that hook. Good body shot.
Woo!
Good 1-2 for Gonzales. Although, good counter. He's finding the rhythm. Pagara is finding that rhythm.
Hard hitting. Oh, that's the important thing. Like we were making cuento earlier. You can train only so much, but the mind has to be the one that will make you win.
That's the
Or
mindset.
determine how far you go. Round 2. Pagara versus Gonzales. Para sa WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight belt. Pinoy Pride 33 Philippines versus the world. Dayan Castillo ko po. Kasama si Nonito Donaire. Nalalaban sa Disyembre. Abangan natin yan, Nonito, diba? December 11 sa Puerto Rico. And you're fighting?
Cesar Suarez ng Mexico. Yeah.
Juarez. Alright, so that was a very hard-hitting first round.
And now they know that they're both powerful, kaya nga
medyo nag-iingat.
nag-iingat silang dalawa.
Kailangan nga hindi maging careless o magmadali itong si Prince Albert. Nakapaw, ganda.
Very good 1-2.
Ganda yung 1-2 ni Prince Albert.
Kahit ako, natamaan ako nung straight ni Albert ng ganyan. It's very, very fast and very precise.
Definitely mas mabilis si Prince Albert kay Gonzales, pero Gonzales got the power too.
And kahit mas mabagal ka or less talented, pag may power ka, there's always a chance of winning.
Yes. At kailangan, when you throw, kailangan mag-ingat ka kasi baka bumalik sa'yo na mas malakas.
Especially mga Latin fighters.
Laban
sumasabay palagi, especially with the power.
So this is Pinoy contra Latino.
Lakas. Being live, maririnig mo talaga. Very good straight and very good left hook.
Tapang talaga. Oh, wow, solid right. Prince Albert.
Pagara's counter-punching and moving. Ang maganda kay Pagara is pag sumusuntok siya, dumidiretso siya sa...
Albert, let him go, Albert.
Yung part na hindi ka makita. The blind spot.
Nobody punch. Stop,
So pag sumusuntok siya,
Listen.
pumupunta siya sa
You have
blind
mine in.
spot.
Box.
Kaya nga hindi siya matatamaan. And then he comes back for another counter. He's executing it beautifully.
Malapitan laban to, no?
Albert, bring it up, Albert.
At close range. Medyo wild din kay Gonzalez. Again, body shot from Prince Albert. Nag-enjoy ang mga Pinoy dito sa StubHub Center.
Just the power that these two guys are throwing.
This is a 12-round fight. Kailangan mag-ipon muna sila ng lakas, ano?
Albert, you gotta bring it up, Albert.
You know, I'm inspired watching Albert train.
Oh, down. Oh,
He hit him under.
He hit him.
I think he hit him.
after he fell
He was down. Oh,
We
he's
gotta
playing
put
now.
the guys down. Relax. Okay.
That was
Give me
a clear
5-minute
knockdown.
clock. Okay.
That was a clear
Listen.
knockdown. It's just that
Okay.
He punched him after the
After,
knockdown.
yes.
Tingnan natin ang ano.
Respira. ¿Está bien? Respira.
replay.
Respira.
So ngayon, yung referee tinatanong
Okay.
si
¿Está bien? Stand up. Stand
Gonzalez
up.
kung
Come on.
kaya
I'm gonna give you
niya.
5
Pero
minutos.
palagay ko,
Stand up.
nagpapahinga lang to.
Albert, hey, get over there. No, get over there. Albert. Hey, go
Nakakamatan
stand over
si
here.
Prince Albert. Akala niya tapos na yung fight.
yeah, hindi niya
Stay
akalain
here.
na he has
5
a
minutes,
foul.
okay? Just relax. Okay.
So when that
No, no,
happens,
no.
how many minutes is
I'm not
there?
going to give him
5
5 minutes. I'm just going to give him a couple of minutes to get his head on straight. Listen, you want to do my job or am I going to do my job? Okay. Albert, you got to be very careful. You just hit him while he was on the ground. Okay, I could disqualify you right now. You understand?
He's apologizing,
Apologize.
Albert.
Yeah. Sobrang
Okay.
ano
Kasi
kasi
minsan naman,
gigil eh.
minsan
Listo?
naman hindi mo maano yun eh. Kasi
Necesito
you're going
más
with the
tiempo?
competition.
Yeah, yung adrenaline.
Flowing.
Cuánto?
You're flowing, your body's flowing.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's going to need 1 more minute and he's going to be ready to roll.
Wow.
Okay?
Referee's
When I'm done,
really
I'll tell
giving
you.
this guy a lot.
Okay, hold on. Stay there.
That's actually
Stay
that's very, very
Stay
nice
there.
for the ref na hindi niya
Scored a
disqualify
knockdown. It was accidental.
Pagara.
In the fact, no points.
Yeah, because
Just
usually nung
accidental,
natalo si
no
Roy
points.
Jones dati,
No points.
it was
Scored a
because
knockdown.
they faked.
Scored a knockdown.
So they scored a
Do not
knockdown.
do that again. It's bad news. You ready?
So that's
Warning,
good. That's a
strong
good
warning para kay
Yes.
ano. Pagara. Tingnan natin how that may change things here dito.
Time.
End of the round.
Good round.
Okay, tingnan natin muli no nito ang nangyari. Okay, action mula sa round 2.
So he throws that straight, and then he went, and you would think it was gonna go up, and that's why Jack Reese was saying he's giving him the benefit of the.
It's Albert.
Box.
Ngayon, tingnan natin kung magbago ang takbo ng fight because of that. O medyo maagang aggressive si Gonzalez.
Let him go,
Body
Albert.
shot.
Let him go.
Again, Albert going into the blind spot.
Prince Albert Pagara naka-isang knockdown sa round 2.
Oh, good combination.
Kombinasyon mula kay Prince Albert.
Ang ganda ng combination. Upper,
Wow.
body, head.
Up and down.
And this Gonzalez is very tough.
He is
Grabe.
tough, ha?
Ilang beses na eh.
Oo.
Ilang beses na tamaan na malakas. And he still keeps coming forward.
Tough hombre. Taga Nicaragua.
Good straight.
Sugod ng sugod.
The good thing for Pagara is ang taas ng yung kamay niya, yung defense is high.
Yun nga sinasabi nyo, no? That defense in this fight will go a long way
Yes.
against a hard-hitting guy. Like, pero ngayon, nakatali sila.
And you can
Cuidado
see
con la
na
cabeza.
parang
Stop. Cuidado con la cabeza.
the roughness of the opponent because he throws in the back of the head,
Yes,
top of the
yes.
head. Talagang magulan yung style niya.
Kaya nga hindi ito madaling fight para kay Pagara. Gonzalez, oh!
Beautiful straight.
Ayan naman, mga
But
power
good counter
shots.
and back.
Ilang beses nang lumaban dito sa Amerika si Gonzalez, so definitely more experience.
uppercut.
Good uppercut from Pagara.
Very
Right
good uppercut.
Nandito sila sa harap namin, naririnig namin ang bawat suntok. Ang sakit!
Ang ganda ng style ni